Hey there, it's Jeremy here. In Nuxt 3, to make an API call, all you need is this. This is a GET request. I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger here. So this here is a GET request, and really all you need is just, if I close this, all you need to make a GET request is this. And I have a wait here because I'm using a promise with the response. But all this, you fetch API users. Here we're getting users. This is wrapped around a function, but all you need to make a GET request in Nuxt is just this. That's an API call. And then if you need to send headers with your API call, then you send headers like this. And so if you wanted to create a user or to make a post API call, then you do it like this, right? All you need, it's very similar to the GET request, except say you don't want to send any headers, then it's going to be like this, right? So this is all you need. You just say method post and await. I mean, if you need a wait. But say if you want to send headers, then it's going to look like this. If you're sending the body, it's going to look like this. And the body here is just a user object that we're sending here. Okay. And what if you wanted to make an update, a put API call? Then it's going to look like this, right? Very similar to the post, but it's just put and headers and body as well. And delete is the same way. You make an API call, all you gotta change is method, delete, headers on the body. And if the body is an object that you need to specify the properties and the values, then it's going to look like that. And that's how you make an API call in Nuxt 3. Now, if you're looking for a nice Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit, I have one just for you. It comes with pages, layout, a use head composable, comes with custom plugin components and some TypeScript to help you learn how to write TypeScript if you don't know how TypeScript works. So this is coming from a plugin, and all this plugin does, right, it just tells you what the date is. It's going to help you learn how to write plugins. It's absolutely free. It's yours right now if you want it. All you got to do is just click the link below this video and it's yours. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Shalom.